How to change template in Wix. So the first step is to simply go to wix.com, and after you go to your dashboard, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on your site name, and as you can see, you have here the option to go to all sites. So simply click on that. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on create new site, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply create your new site with all your templates and everything. As you can see, I'm gonna choose a template from Wix, and basically I'm gonna show you how you can change the old template. So basically, first of all, you're gonna have to create a brand new website with a different template, and then simply go back. So you're gonna have to go back to your sites. I'm gonna go back really fast, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply transfer the domain name from the old site to the new one. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add on site action, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply connect a domain, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.